Question 1. We're asked to differentiate the following with respect to x without simplifying. So here we have a quotient. Now in order to differentiate this, we need to write root x as x to the half, and then we can identify that u is x to the half and v is x squared plus 4x. So du dx is going to be a half x to the negative a half, and dv dx will be 2x plus 4. Now, for a quotient, dy dx is v du dx, take away u dv dx, all over v squared. So that's this one times this one, so we can say a half x to the negative a half, x squared plus 4x, take away u dv dx, so that's x to the half, 2x plus 4, all over x squared plus 4x, all squared. And we can leave it there because we don't have to simplify. Now here in part B we have a product. U is 3x plus 4. V is x cubed minus 6, all to the power 5. So we're going to need to use the chain rule here. Du dx is easy enough, that's 3. dv dx is going to be, differentiate the outside function, 5x squared minus 6 to the 4, multiply by the differential of the inside function. So overall that's 10x, x squared minus 6 to the 4. Now for a product, dy dx is v du dx plus u dv dx. So that's going to be this one times this one, so that's 3x squared minus 6 to the power 5. This one times this one is going to give us 10x, 3x plus 4, x squared minus 6 to the 4. And there's no need to simplify. We now have y as 3 sine squared x. Doesn't hurt to think about the fact that what that means is 3 sine x squared. So dy dx is going to be, differentiate the outside function. 2 comes down and multiplies 6. And then effectively in the bracket we have sine x to the 1. And then we need to multiply by the differential of the inside function, which is cos x. Now it says don't simplify, but I wouldn't leave it like this because I've just written this like this in order to make sense of the notation here, and after a while you don't need to do that. So I would go 6 sine x cos x. Now over here we have a quotient. U is equal to 2 sine 3x and V is equal to cos x. So for du dx we need to use the chain rule again. Sine differentiates to cos, so that's 2 cos 3x, but then the inside function here is the 3x. So we need to multiply by the differential of that, and that will give us 6 cos 3x. And dv dx, well, cos differentiates to negative sine, so that's going to be that. And then it's a quotient, so dy dx is v du dx minus u dv dx all over v squared. So that's this one multiplied by this one, so we have 6 cos 3x cos x. Take away this one multiplied by this one, so the minus minus is going to give us a plus 2 sine 3x sine x all over v squared, so that's cos squared x.